Before we dive into setting up your ad campaign in Meta Ads, let's ensure we have a clear goal in mind. Define the purpose of your ad, whether it's to drive traffic, generate leads, or boost conversions. Next, identify your target audience, considering demographics, interest, and behaviors. Based on your objective, create a compelling content for your ad. For example, if you want to drive traffic, have a landing page or a website with a lead capturing form. Establish a budget for your campaign to optimize your reach. Once all these elements are ready, create your ad in Meta Ads will be a breeze, allowing you to achieve success quickly and effectively. The text content which you need before you set up your ad campaign is catchy headlines, primary text, description, and image sizes should be 1080 into 1080 pixel, 1080 into 1920 pixel, and 1200 into 728 pixel. Now let's get started creating a compelling ad campaign in Meta Ad Manager. Tools I'm going to use to set up my ad campaign in Meta Ad is chatgpt and Canva. Okay, so now let us create those three images for our Meta Ad campaign. First, what you do now, you just go to Canva, and Canva is a free tool, and if you have a paid version it's good. If you have free, then only those kind of images you can select which doesn't have a watermark. And once you select those images which doesn't have a watermark, and if you create your creatives, then when you download, then that watermark won't be visible on the particular creatives. And if you add anything like any image or text or font or anything which has got a watermark, then when you download, then you will then on that image there will be a watermark. Okay, so be very cautious. So now let us go to Canva. Now I'm going to create three images. Okay, so first what I'll do, I'll go to social media, and in social media the first thing which I'm going to select is, instead of going here, what I'll do, I'll just go to create a design because I know the sizes. So custom size I'll go, and in the custom size first I'm going to create a square image. So what I'll do, 1080 into 1080 pixel. Now I'll click on create a new. So this is how the image comes, and now what I'll do, I'll just click here and I will type for example SEO services. Okay, so I'll get a great images here, and I can use any one image, whichever is relevant and whichever is having a wow factor. That is very important. Okay, so I'm going to use a good image for that. So even you can use the image from the photos also. You can go here and you can type SEO services. Okay, this is a square image. So perfect. Now what I'll do in this, I want to add a content. So make sure that only 20% of the text content is added on the image. If you fill the image with full of content, then Facebook may reject your ad, or your ad is not going to give you the impact or the results. Okay, so for this content what I'll do, I'll just go to ChatGPT, and in ChatGPT definitely I might have created some kind of a content. So I'll just use this here, rank number 1 on Google. If you are setting up an ad campaign in Facebook or LinkedIn, any social media, you can use rank number 1 on Google. But if you are setting up an ad campaign in Google, don't use the word Google. Okay, so now let me come here and let me add this. So this is there, and now what I'll do, I'll just increase the font and I'll make it bold, and I may change to a different font which will have a good, this one I'll use, and I'll make it yellow because on black yellow looks awesome. So that this is one. Okay, and then I will use one more content. What is that? Okay, I'll use a word called professional. I don't want to waste time here. I'll use a word called professional SEO services. So I have taken out one image, and it is showing professional SEO services, rank number 1 on Google at affordable pricing, nothing else. The moment people see SEO, then they will read, and when they see rank number 1 on Google, they will read, 100% guarantee they'll read at affordable pricing, they will get convinced. This is the kind of image which I created right now. Okay, this is the 2920 vertical image. So 3 images we required. Now I'll just try here SEO. Okay, that's it, nothing else. I don't want much. Now here what I'll do, I'll copy this, I'll copy this, I'll copy this, I'll hold shift and I'll copy all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even I need to add my company logo also, I'll add that. Please. So vertical image is ready, and now I'm going to create another image. The size is easier. $1,280 into 720. Now same way I'll search for that. I'll go to images, and here first I'll select the size that is horizontal, and then I'll just type here SEO, and even I'll select the color also black. It is up to you, whichever color you want you can use it. I am just using black because I am planning to experiment it, because in all the alternate platform, normally 70% of the people will have a white screen only. They don't go to dark screen, and the white screen it will highlight. That's what. Yeah, this is good. And now same content I'm going to copy and I'm going to put here. So I made 3 images. One is rectangle, and this I'll keep it as rectangle SEO, and one more is vertical SEO, and one more is rank number 1 now, square SEO. So 3 images I created, and I'll download all the 3 images. Okay, and even I can just push it here so that it looks awesome. and then rectangle one. So 3 images are ready with me. Okay. So now let us go to our Facebook Meta campaign. But before that, we need add lines. Okay. So what you can do now, you can go to chatgpt, and I have made a content actually to cut short the time. What I have done, you see, in the table format, Meta adds eye-catchy and unique 4 headlines below 80 characters, 2 primary content below 120 characters, 2 description below 160 characters for SEO services with 100% guarantee on the first page of Google. Even suggests the best target audience as per the interest and behavior list to choose. So this is the content, this is the prompt which I used, and based on this prompt I got the reply like this. So this is the reply I got. I'll just show you one prompt. You see here, this is the prompt which I have given. Okay, and now in the table format all these details I have given here. Okay, so when I click on this, then you see this is the prompt which it will create for you. Beautiful. Okay, so now you got headlines, you got a primary content, you got a description and all these things. And target in behavior, you can target frequent online shoppers, technology enthusiastic, and social media engagement. Okay, so still I can it is my own ideas which I can use it to select the audience. Okay, now with this let us start our ad campaign. So now let us go to Facebook. So in Facebook, the first thing, once you log into your account, okay, you should have a page. You should have a business page, not the account page. Okay, for that you can click on pages and you can create one business page for your business, whether your business is into product or services. Okay, so after that you just go to Meta Business Suite. Sometimes you'll find the Meta Business Suite here, or sometimes you need to search for this in the left side menu. You will find it. If you go to see more, you'll find it. Okay, once you get Meta Business Suite, you just click on Meta Business Suite, and this is how it opens. Now here you have to select your own pages. Here I have got a lot of pages here, and I'm going to select my company page that is in scope. Okay, technologies. Now I'm going to select this page, and then I'll scroll down and I'll go to all tools, and under all tools I will go to Ad Manager. So once I click on Ad Manager, then a page will pop, a new tab will open and a page opens here, and this is the Ad Manager page. So once you land here, so if your page is like this, then what you do, if any ad is there, you just click on that ad, then you will come to the admanager.facebook.com page. Now here what you do, here on the top you can find into mark. Okay, so this one is a close button. You just I want to pause it. Okay, so all the ads in my this thing is paused now. So I'm going to create a new campaign. Just click on create campaign, and now I'm going to select the objective, awareness, traffic, engagement, leads. I'm going to select traffic, and I'm going to continue, and here it will ask you tailored web traffic campaign or manual. I'll go to manual because this is for the people who doesn't have much experience in ad campaign. First time whoever is using the ad campaign, they can use this. And if you know how the ad campaign platform is there, what and all we can select, then you can go with manual traffic campaign. You can click on manual traffic campaign and then click on continue. So once you click on continue, then you can give a campaign name called rank 1. I'm just giving the name as rank 1. Now don't do anything here. Don't select any category, because this category is for political kind of ad campaign, or credit card or financial service ad campaign, or Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, or any kind of gaming website, or any kind of illegal whatever which needs authentication. So don't select anything here. If you select anything here, then your ad doesn't run. Okay, so you just come down. Since you have selected traffic, you don't do anything here. You just scroll down and click on next button. In the category page, you should not do anything. Now once you give a name for your category, then you will come to ad set name. In the ad set name, you can give again the name rank 1 ad set. Under ad set, you can create multiple ads. Okay, so this is a subcategory is what we call. And here you can see where you want the conversion location, a website, app, messenger, WhatsApp. So I'll select website. So if you select website, you need to have your own website or landing page. Okay. So here, set a performance goal. Nothing, not required. You just come here. Performance goal. What is that? Maximum number of link clicks you want, or maximum number of landing page views you want. So if you click on maximum number of landing page views, then landing page views count it will show, and even budget also according to that it will work. And you can see in the right side estimated daily result it will show. Okay, and if you click on maximum number of link clicks, you can see 19,000 to 55,000. And if you click on maximum number of land pages, it will change 14,000 to 40,000. So whichever you want, you can choose. So maximum number of link clicks, I'll be going to maximum number of link clicks only. And cost per result goal, this you keep it empty. And if you are learner and if you have set certain budget, then you can fix a price for that. Okay, but normally what we do, no, we don't add the amount here. For first 2-3 days we'll watch the campaign, and we will give the opportunity to Facebook itself to show our campaign to as many people as possible, and let me get more clicks, and then I'll see what is the cost per click, and if it is more than my budget, then I'll reduce it and I'll work on that. Okay, so this is what is there, and now it is showing 19,000 to 55,000. Then I'll come here, don't do show more option, nothing, you need not do anything. What is there? Nothing. Impressions and standard. So if you want click on this also, you will get your impression or link clicker. So you want to pay for impressions or you want to pay for link clicks is what you should decide. If your ad is more compelling and if it has got a more wow factor, and if you have a confidence that people when they see it they will click, then you can go with impressions. And if you don't know whether your ad can attract people or not, then you can go with the link click. Okay, whichever you want, you can plan. So right now I'm going for impressions. Okay, I'll go for link clicks only, because many times I've used impression. Now let me experiment with link clicks. How does it work? And delivery type, it is standard delivery type only. Dynamic creatives. Okay, provide creative elements such as images and headlines and will automatically generate. No, you are going to add the creators, so you don't enable it. Now daily budget. What is the daily budget? So right now I'm keeping 800 rupees only daily budget. If you want to keep, you can keep starting from 100 to 8,000, 10,000, 1 lakh also. It depends upon you. Now you want to start date and date. And if you want to set a start date and date, you can set it here. Or else, if you don't set it, how much budget, how much amount you have recharged your ad account, till there your ad will run, and after that it will get paused. And whenever you recharge, then again it will run and it will get paused. So if you want only the ad to run for only 5 days, then you can set the start date and end date. Okay, so I'm skipping this. Now comes your audience. So my audience is entire India. Okay, age group, as you know that mine is like I'm going to give the services to all the startup companies and business owners. So I'll be selecting somewhere 25 years age and to 55 years. Done. And some company decision makers will be somewhere at 57 also, so I'll go up to 57 years. Okay, now gender, all gender and all demographic, interest and behavior, advantage, detailed targeting off. So if I want to add detailed targeting, and then I can add. Okay, so here comes now placements, advantage plus placement recommended. So here I'm going to select manual placements. In manual placement, what I want my ad to be shown in Facebook, Instagram, ad network or Messenger. In Messenger, I don't want to show. And in audience network, okay, no problem, Facebook, Instagram. So this is how it will, like your ad will show in Facebook, Instagram and audience network. And then comes, yeah. So if you want to add a detailed demography, you can add. So I got it from ChatGPT, whom and all I can add. I can select the digital marketing, website optimization, online advertising, small business owner, content creation. So I can select digital marketing and I can go here and I can just put here. So I'll get here. So interest, that's a Yeah, I can select this and I can again put small business owner. Yeah, business decision makers, very important. Large business owners also I need. Done. And let me see who else I can target. New active business, 6 months, 24 months, 12 months, yes. And I can still go. I can add new active business 24 months. Business decision maker, titles and interest, demographics. So, Instagram business profile admin, business and finance, business page admin, small business to business enterprise employees. Okay, this I'll select. So this is done. Now let me see what else is there. Content creation now. Here, behavior. Frequently online shoppers. I don't think for SEO frequent online shoppers will be okay. Technology enthusiasts. This I can use. Then social media engagement. Interest, job, fields, schools, on it. Yes, I can use this. So I have selected different category people and startup. Okay. So this much is enough. Okay. So 18,051 kg, 1,000 people. And now reach people beyond your data targeting selection when it's likely to improve performance. If it is going to give the performance, then okay, no problem. And then languages, all languages. I'm using all languages because I've selected in India. And people, if they have some business owners know, they will be having their Facebook account in translated in Hindi, so even they can see my ad. Okay, so then I can come down and then next what else, yeah, done, all this is done. Okay, so now you have to understand here everything is perfect and now we are good to go to next page. In the next page you need to add your website URL and everything. Okay, so now let me go to next. So here I'm going to create a name called one minute, rank rank 1, rank 1, sorry, add. Okay, recommended for you as you have enough media options in your media library. No, I don't want carousel, so let me go with this rank rank 1, add. This is my ad name. So now I'm going to say partnership ad. I don't want. Okay, so if you click on partnership ad, then this will appear to viewers as the first account in the ad setter. Select identity or enter partnership ID code. So I don't want to do that. So this is one. And second thing is I can select a page. My page is in scope technologies. And once I select InScope Technologies, since this InScope Technologies page is connected to my Instagram account, automatically my Instagram account will get connected. If you have not connected your Instagram account with your Facebook account, then please do connect that. Then only you can set up the ad campaign where your ad campaign will be displayed both in Facebook and Instagram. If you are not connected, then only in Facebook your ad campaign will publish. Okay, so your ad set. So you can create your ad. And now you can go and you can select single image or video. So I'm going for single image. If you go for carousel, more than 10 images you can add. It will be scrolling. And collection means if you have 3-4 images at a time you can put, and all 4 images at a time it will display. So the best strategy is single image or video. Okay, so now I'll come down. Now I'll add my media. So I told you single image, single. Now here it is given a single image. Then how come I have created 3 images? I mean to say single image in 3 sizes. You got it? Single image in 3 sizes. One is square, one is rectangle, and one is vertical. That is what you need to understand. So here add image. So I'm going to add my image. So this is your media folder. So my images are not here. So what I'll do, I'll just click on upload, and I have created my images, right? So this is where my images are there. Okay. So I'm going to select the square image at the moment. Now I'm going to select all the three images. 1 minute. Because I'm going to add it in my library first, in my media folder of Facebook. So all the three images I'm going to upload. Done. So now what I'll do, I'll just select now square one, and then I'll click on next. The moment you select square one and show next, then you will get a preview. In the preview, you see the square one is perfect fit. But how about vertical and how about horizontal? Sorry, it is not perfect, right? So what you can do, you can click on replace. Since all the three images are already there in the media library of Facebook, so you can just click on replace, and you click on this, and now you click on next. Now you see. Wow, beautiful. Okay, and now rectangle one. You click on replace, and now you click on rectangle, and you click on next. Wow, so beautiful. Little bit here and there is there, no problem, chalta hai. So but everybody can see the content and everything, right? That's how it is there. So what I can do now, click on next. So now your ads will show like this. It is showing the display to you, okay, in different this thing. So what I can do now, you can optimize your ad. So your all optimization is there. So your original creatives and all are there. So you have already clicked on all optimization. So done. Now you go and click on done. Okay. So here it will show now optimize ad creative done, adjust image by placement done, add more text options. Yeah, we can add the text options. Okay. So don't recommend this again. I'm going to add the text options, don't worry. Okay, so now this image are ready. Now let us go to the complete image is fully optimized. This is very important. And now here primary text. Anyhow, in chatgpt I have asked for primary text. So chatgpt has created a primary text for me. This is a primary text. Okay, so here what I'll do, unleash the power of SEO for success. Yeah, so I can use it for a primary text. Now you just scroll down where you can see the primary text. I'll show you. Here you see on the top. So on the top you can see, 1 minute. Yeah. See here, unleash the power of SEO service for SEO for success, right? Yeah. Here, unleash the power of SEO for success. And you can even see dominate Google first page with easy. No, okay, done. I'm going to use this. You have wide options to use this. Yeah. Now you see, perfect fit. People are not going to read the text content more. Only one line of text content is enough. Okay. So if you add extra, what is going to happen? I'll just show you. See. Unlock success with our expert SEO services. Achieve top Google ranking. Right. So I'm going to use this. Here is it. It's here. Okay, this much it will come. And if you add still more, what is going to happen? Like this. So who will read so much? They will read unlock success with our expert SEO services, achieve top Google ranking, drive our organic traffic, increase visibility, and grow your business online. So actually, normally what download, contact us, okay, book now, apply now, watch now, whatever is there, whichever you want, you can use. So I'm going to use contact us now, so that if they click on that, so they will come to my website and they can contact me from there. Okay. So this is a website, and now I'm going to put the website URL. I have an awesome website exclusively designed for SEO services. This is my website. You all can see, and people when they come here, so they have an option here, and if they click on talk to expert, one contact form will open. And now I can preview the URL by clicking on show on your ad. So if I want to show my ad link, I can put here. Okay, and then call extension. If I want to give a call extension, I can give. But since it's a traffic, I can give. So 9741756 So let people call you directly. Done. Let them call me. No, I don't want. I want website. Sorry. I'll show call extension on my website, but Here the website I have selected, so call extension is also there. Okay, and then languages I already asked. Tracking, so this in the next session I'll train you how to use the tracking. And then URL parameter, this is the tracking parameter for this separate class when I'll take, and I will make different video and I'll share it. Okay, so now everything is done, everything is perfect, nowhere no error. So what I can do, I can just simply go and publish. So now my ad will get published successfully, and within half an hour to 1 hour my ad will get activated. Done. So published, done. So now it is published, my ad is published. So what I can do, I can go here, and now it is showing account error because there is no funds in my ad. Okay, so I need to add the funds. So what I'll do, I will just go to my Meta business here, and here I'll go to billing and accounts, and I'm going to add my funds from my Paytm. One minute. Yeah. So I'll click on add funds. I'll add say around some 1,000 rupees. I'm scanning my QR code. Done. Okay, so I recharged my account with 1,200 just now, and my daily budget is 800. Don't worry, once it get activated, I'm going to change it to 500 bucks, so that the 500,000 rupees ad will go, and 200 rupees approximately will go for the GST. Okay, so now the balance is 1,200. So this is how I can check and set up my ad campaign. Okay, so this is the flow which everybody has to follow, and then only you can put a successful ad campaign. Okay, and after 2 or 3 days I'll definitely update you what kind of results I got for my campaign. I know that since I have invested 1,200, and I'm going to recharge with another 800 bucks, and 3 days I'm going to run the ad campaign, and in 3 days I can expect somewhere around 7 to 8, minimum 7 to 10 leads. Okay, and in that 7 to 10 leads, sure shot I'm going to close 3, and each lead if I close for say around 1 lakh and 2 lakh, 3 lakhs, approximately put here 1.5 lakh. So for 3 leads it will be somewhere around 4.5 lakhs. So 4.5 lakhs of the business I can get by spending 2,000 rupees. That is what is my experience. I experienced all these days, and that's how I get the business. Okay, so this is the power of Meta business ad campaign. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel because I'm going to upload a lot of videos